I want to preface this video by saying that my wife is not into cars. When I change wheels in my car, she doesn't even notice. But she's an excellent driver. And she's also lately gotten interested in electric cars. So I decided to surprise her with an electric car. Now, I wanted to make it a total surprise and not tell her what it is, but she did notice the $250 deposit on her credit card from Tesla, so I had to tell her that we're getting a Tesla, but that's all she knows. So today, we're gonna take you on this journey of us picking up that mystery Tesla. No one knows what it is except me. When I ordered the car, I didn't deal with anyone on the phone. I did everything through the app. The only time when someone called me was when it was the time for us to schedule the pickup appointment, which is today. Everything is done seamlessly through the app, and I kid you not, you do not need to talk to anyone except when it comes to scheduling. So, let's see.
How do we know which one is ours?
I think so. This is the Tesla.
Turn left.
This is where the
Turn
cars that people are picking up tend to be parked. So we're going to go ahead and park. So the message I got from Tesla was that the cars are going to be parked alongside of Staples. That's Staples. So one of those cars, hopefully, is our car. Now, again, my wife doesn't know what car we have. She doesn't know if it's a Y, S, 3, or X. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can find our name somewhere.
So quiet.
All right. Could this be it?
No, wrong brakes.
Okay, so wrong brakes. Could this be it? Oh no, it's
Good, it has red brakes.
red brakes. Does it have my name on it?
It's supposed to have your name on it?
Well, yeah, inside one of these things, one of these cars should have my name on it. So which one could it be? She said I would get a red car.
Brakes.
But is that a sedan? We're getting
I
a
don't
sedan.
know. You didn't tell me what kind we were getting. No, that's not yours.
Okay.
This one doesn't have the right brakes.
This one doesn't have the right brakes. All right. What if we're getting this Audi? Look at that, Q8. RSQ8.
Red brakes.
This one has.
Oh,
What?
that's your name.
We're getting a Model Y Performance. Look at that.
Wow.
It's a family car. It's no longer a selfish car. It's a family car. Look at that.
Aw, it's so cool, babe. Aww.
Now, what's cool about this one is you can recognize that it's the performance model because it's got the red brake calipers, the 21-inch wheels, and of course in the back you've got this underline motor performance. Look at that. So take a look at it, Alex. Let me know if you see any imperfections or anything. That's the first thing we want to take a look at before I can accept delivery.
There's
so look
a dirty fork next to it.
No, look at panel gaps. This is the dirty. Look at panel gaps. What is that? Is that a scratch? No, that's just a watermark. That's something that can be detailed out. There's a tiny hairline scratch over here. So the model we got also has a tow hook package. So this is the tow hook. Let's just make sure it's there. It's there. I don't want to pop it out now, but let's trust that it's there. The Performance also has this carbon fiber spoiler, which fits well. There used to be an issue where they didn't fit well. But yeah, just take a look at it. Walk around, let me know if you see any bumps or anything like that.
Wow.
Cool. Look at these massive wheels. So the Performance model comes with standard summer tires, which is a huge mistake, but I have a solution for that. I already have a solution waiting for us. But let's see, panel gaps, which is what people always talk about. Panel gaps here are fine. Let me take a look at the other side. Anything that stands out, Alex?
That it has your name and not mine?
Okay, so panel gap here. This doesn't line up completely this side, but I can let it slide. There's a panel gap here, but again, I mean,
Yes.
I don't drive on panel gaps.
Look, you see? That's a T.
And then here.
T for Tesla.
Okay, so, and in the front, I don't see any.
it's so
I don't
cool.
see any nicks. I don't see any scratches. Oh, so I think we should be. I think we should be good. Next, what I'm going to do is we're going to follow the instructions. So your vehicle will be parked. Once you have located the vehicle, visit Tesla.com to e-sign it.
Yeah.
How do you like the color?
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very visible blue.
It's very.
A visible blue, not like too dark that you can't tell that it's blue.
Okay, so it's very visible blue. So we're gonna accept delivery. We just hit the button for accept delivery.
Wow.
Let's see. So in a few minutes, they said in 1 to 2 minutes, the app should refresh. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the Tesla app. Ah, look, it refreshed. You see? So I didn't have this previously. Tesla is 85% charged and it's parked. All right, so we're ready, Mommy?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna unlock it. Inside there's gonna be an envelope. Yeah, it's a Tesla. Inside there's gonna be an envelope that we have to sign. There's gonna be a pen in there and we have to drop it in a drop box. So let's see, let's unlock our Tesla for the first time.
Oh.
All right, Violet gets in first. Mommy, you go in the driver's seat. What do you think?
That's so cool. We have a Tesla.
Yeah.
Aww.
How do you like the interior?
But can Mommy drive it?
Mommy can drive it, yeah.
Does she know?
It's nice. How come this isn't all across the sides?
It's well the wood, yeah. Well, that's
Is that an upgrade?
no, it's not an upgrade, but that's just something you have to deal with when you buy a Tesla. It's not, it's a premium vehicle, but it's not 100% premium. What's cool about it is it's not gonna. This thing is not gonna get old. This would kind of it's always gonna look modern. And Mommy, and look at the ceiling. Look how beautiful the roof is. See,
That's so cool.
it goes all the way down, all the way up. How cool is that? So this was the list of options that we got. So what do we have? So it's a Model Y, long range performance, with all black base autopilot. We have a tow package and a deep blue paint. So these two options, and delivery was $1,000. So this was the total that we paid for the car when we ordered early in October. So yeah,
The range?
the range on this one is 305, I believe. But obviously 303. There you go, 303. I'm gonna be one of those guys. I'm not gonna take off the screen protector just yet because I do have one that I have at home. Like, see everything you control. Obviously, we're gonna have to get used to all these controllers. This is a wireless charger. You can just simply put your phone here and it's gonna charge wirelessly. Oh wait, you don't have a new phone, so you're gonna have to. See, a lot of cup holder space.
Where's the USB for my charging?
USB. There should be a USB right there. There are two USB
Okay.
C points here. And yeah, so that's it. This we're gonna keep because I like to keep my window stickers. So now let's see. We're gonna task my wife with doing one for. Can you open the glove box for me so I can put this in the glove box? Come on. No. Everything's done through the controller. Oh wait. Wait.
Now, can the screen break? If a kid throws a toy at it.
Yes, let's just make sure. Let's see, but this is Tommy L Garage. I could easily replace it. See, glove box, bam. It opened up, but obviously this is not big enough for the glove box, so we're gonna put it in the trunk. Now, can you open the trunk for me?
Autopilot service lock.
It's right there in front of you.
Oh my gosh.
Here. So now the next step on this journey is to bring it to my detailer. We're gonna put a PPF in the front, but before I do that, I'm actually gonna put a set of mud flaps that I purchased. If you don't have the mud flaps, these wheels tend to spray over here, and this area gets damaged. So before I even leave the lot, I'm gonna put the mud flaps. It should be pretty straightforward. Just a couple of these rivets, and we should be good to go. And just like that, the mud flaps are installed. Oh, and check this out. So instead of spare keys, I mean, obviously you have your phone app, and you have these. They can always carry in your wallet, and you just tap it here on the window pillar, and and you can use it as a key. Look how many Teslas there are here. And this was a contender. I almost ended up getting the Model 3, but then I realized, you know what? For the family, I'm never gonna track the Model 3. So what's the point of me getting this sedan if the little crossover can be a lot better? I also wanted a performance because the non-performance long range, I mean, looks kind of goofy. No offense to those who have those. I don't like the smaller wheels. I don't like the higher suspension. But yeah, take a look how many Teslas they have. And I think blue is one of the coolest colors. Nothing against white. White looks good on any car. I don't want it. I'll pop a blue. Now let's go for a spin. My wife has never driven an electric car, so this is going to be a treat. Let's see. There we go. Wait. Did you put the engine on? I don't hear the engine, guys. How come I don't hear the engine?
Oh wait, actually, is there an on and off button, or it's just park and that's it?
You park and leave.
You don't have to press on?
No.
Oh wow, all those times that I never turn the car off. Oh, Oh. Oh, there's a car there.
See, look. How cool. There's a car there, and it shows you this car on the screen
Oh,
right
there's
there.
another car parked.
Ah, look at that. All right.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh,
Boy.
Huh.
What? No, it stops. That's you have to get used to it. It's go.
That's so funny.
Yeah. I want you to feel the acceleration.
Oh my god, it's so weird
Hold on.
letting go of the
Is it
pedal.
clear? Yeah, wait for it.
Oh my god, I just let go and it's just stops.
Yeah, it stops. Yeah. Just wait for it. I want you to have it clear so you can go.
All right.
You can really gun it, but maybe don't gun it too much.
Okay. I don't even have my foot on the brake.
Yeah. Hold on. Got it? Like.
Oh my god! Oh, that was fun. Oh shit! Okay. Oh, sorry. Wow, it's like a roller coaster.
Yeah.
That is scary.
Isn't it? Did it send like little shivers and make your brain feel all funny?
So yeah, so you go in. Look,
Yeah.
so this is your blind spot monitoring system, so you can see if there's a car in your blind spot.
Oh my god,
over
are you
here.
serious?
Yeah. So you don't even have to look in your. Well,
You're right. I don't have a little. Do we have colors on here?
There's no colors in the mirror, so you just basically look
Oh
at this.
my
So
god,
obviously
that's
you
so much better.
still put your blinker on.
Okay.
And the view in front of us is super clean. Isn't it nice that you don't have any distractions on the dash?
I guess you're right. I mean, it's weird not having the gauge, but maybe it's not that serious.
This is fairly close.
Yeah, you're right. It's just right there.
And again, you just kind of, I feel like you're enjoying the driving a little more.
Yeah.
How does the suspension feel? It doesn't feel that stiff, right?
Okay, I don't know what suspension means,
Oh my God, stop it.
so I don't know.
Does the
how
car
to
feel
comment.
bouncy?
Oh, that one. No, I'm not shaking.
Yeah.
You're right.
Because with my cars, both cars, she's always like, well, this one, even though
true.
it's the performance model, tiny sidewalls,
true.
she's still good. So now the question is, which car are we selling? Are we selling your SUV? Do you want this to replace your SUV? If you want, I'm okay with that. So you think about that. You think about that. See, I bought it with the idea of this happening. So, well, let's see.
Really?
It's up to you. I don't care.
I mean, I guess we could. I don't know when we would use the SUV anymore. Did you really buy it with the intention of me keeping it?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You're not joking?
No, I'm not joking. Step on it.
Really?
Step on it. Step on it.
Woo!
Okay, so we're going to conclude this pickup video. Obviously, there's going to be a lot more follow-ups on the channel if you follow me. If you don't, be sure to subscribe. We're going to debate whether or not my wife gets to keep it or not. I mean, it was a surprise for her, so I think she gets to keep it.
I didn't take it seriously.
She didn't take me seriously. Anyway, so let me know, what would you do if you were in her situation? Would you keep the Volvo, or would you keep this? So thank you very much for watching, and we'll be seeing you in the next video. There's a ton I have planned for this. Nothing cheesy, don't worry about it. So we should be good. All right, bye. You didn't think I was gonna finish the video without me actually driving the car, didn't you? Let's see. Jesus. Oh my God. Holy moly. Oh my God. Now I gotta wait for my wife. Woo! This was the acceleration test. My phone, I don't know where it is, but it went somewhere to the back of the car. That's how fast I accelerated. This goes to show you that keeping your phone in this charger is a bad idea if you want to accelerate fast. We're dropping off the car at my detailer's now to get the full front clip PPF'd, as well as to get some tins. And I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow. Tomorrow my wife will take it to work. Oh no, Thursday my wife will drive it to work, where she gets to experience it. But what do you think about my my idea of quietly getting a car for myself? But really, the car is for her, so we can get rid of the SUV. I've got to say, as much as I love the Volvo in the beginning, I hate driving it now. It's after driving an electric car, and I've driven electric cars in the past, and then I got back into the Volvo. It just to be honest with you, every new car out there after driving an electric car feels sort of primitive. Knowing that there's this technology out there that can do these things for you, is sort of disappointing when you get into a gasoline-powered car, and then you gotta wait for the transmission to shift, for the engine to rev up. With this, you just kind of point. Yep, look, I want to be there. Bam, I want to be there. Let's see. See that spot? I want to be there. Oh my God! Holy smokes! This is so crazy. I gotta be careful because I don't have my radar detector just yet. We're gonna be hardwiring that. But whoo. Anyways, thank you once again for watching and tuning in. Let me know seriously what you think of this decision, and we'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.